Greece's former prince, Nikolaos Degrache, married Chrissy Vardanogianni, the daughter of a Greek shipping magnate, in a private ceremony in Athens on Friday, February 7th. The wedding took place at the Greek Orthodox St. Nicholas Regavas Church in Athens, attended by members of Europe's royal families, including former Queen Sofia of Spain. People gathered outside the church ahead of the ceremony, including supporters of the former royal family. This is the second marriage for the former prince, who is now known as Nikolaos Degrache, after the former royal family was granted Greek citizenship in December 2024 and took the surname, which translates into "of Greece" in French. Degrache split with Tatiana Blatnik, a Venezuelan entrepreneur, last year after 14 years of marriage. This is also the second marriage for Vardanogianni, who was previously married to Greek singer Nino for 5 years, with whom she has 2 children. Vardanogianni is the daughter of Greek businessman Georgos Vardanogiannis, from an influential shipping family. Degrache is one of 5 children of Greece's former king, the late Constantine II, godfather of Britain's Prince William, a second cousin to King Charles, and the brother of former Queen Sofia. Constantine II died in 2023 in Athens. He ascended to the throne in 1964, but his reign was marred by political instability that culminated in a military coup in 1967. He was forced to flee the country after leading an unsuccessful counter-coup against the military junta. The junta abolished the monarchy in 1973. In a referendum called after the fall of the junta in 1974, Greeks rejected monarchy again, making Constantine the last king of Greece. Athens later stripped him of his citizenship. He and his family had lived in London for years, before returning permanently to Greece in 2013.
Ακούτε τα πάντα όσα γίνονται εδώ στο... And one for us, and one for us. Φωτογράφοι. Φωτογράφοι. Λίγο...
Είμαστε εδώ σήμερα για να γιορτάσουμε μαζί με τους νεονύμφους τη χαρά τους. Ευχόμαστε υγεία, ευτυχία, κάθε καλό στη ζωή τους.
Ως κριτικός από τη μητέρα μου νιώθω ιδιαίτερα ευτυχής που μια κριτικοπούλα αυτή τη στιγμή μπαίνει στη βασιλική οικογένεια της Ελλάδας.
Ένα λεπτό σε εμάς.